when I sent you back, why you had to act like you did?
I didn't act like anything.
Mr. Wilson. Your Honor, when I spoke to Mr. Wilson...
So if you want to maintain that you did nothing, then we'll maintain that, and I'll just make my darn decision. And when I have a problem with people, who wins? What I should do, Mr. Wilson, is I should lock you up.
I can give you the number. You can call.
You said Friday or Saturday? Is that correct?
Literally.
Okay.
I just called them because they had to send an email this morning. I literally just got off the phone with them.
I think you better cooperate.
This cocky defendant walked into court smiling at the judge like this was no big deal, even though he's the one who violated his bond. He's here today because he was using substances while out on bond, which is literally the most basic rule you're not supposed to break. Instead of owning it, he comes in with excuses and this little attitude like the court is just inconveniencing him. You could tell Judge Simpson immediately clocks the energy and is not impressed at all with this guy. And like every time this guy opens his mouth, it feels like he's making things worse for himself. Let me know in the comments if you think this guy deserves another chance or if he should be sitting in jail right now. Let's dive in.
Your name, sir?
Anthony Wilson.
Thank you.
And I just want to confirm the note, but Mr. Wilson indicates that he and Mr. Warren Green intended to set this matter for preliminary examination.
That's fine, except that I have violation report.
Dated yesterday, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he got the email.
Where he's not gone over to, he's missed 3 tests at community correction.
So I don't stay out here. I've been testing in Detroit, Michigan. So
Well, there's a way to do that, but this is not the way because I don't know anything about any testing in Detroit.
Trying to pull up the information, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
he got the information.
Where am I wondering?
Okay. Well, then, Your Honor, can we pass this matter? He indicates that he's already given some information to the court.
To who?
Mr. Warren Green, Alex.
This man.
He's saying he gave it to Warren Green?
Yep, so.
Where is Mr. Warren Green?
Judge, he's next door.
Can you forward it to you or what?
That's fine. Your Honor, it looks like what he's showing me are drug test results from ADCS lab. Obviously, I'll need to. Can you send it to me?
To do what?
I just wanted to look at the results that he's showing me, Your Honor. It looks like he did. This test was dated 11/11. Well, no, 11/9. You have another one?
Yeah, they both are here.
Okay.
There's another one right up under it.
And then there's another collection that was dated on 11/7.
Who's he doing that testing for?
It's A as in Apple, D as in Daniel.
I get it, but why is he testing?
It's supposed to be for cocaine.
Pardon?
So who's telling you the test? Are you calling him to the correction? When you remember stuff, you got a test?
They gave me a new color. Like once I went to the place, they gave me an actual color that I called instead of that number.
Who gave you a color?
The location where I go to do my dropping.
Okay, but why are you testing at that location?
Because I'm from Detroit. I don't stay out here. I've never been out here until I encountered with this case. I had this situation. So the agent that's over this whatever, she gave me an address and a couple addresses in Detroit where I could go do.
She told you to test there. Did you sign the release?
Yeah, they have all my information.
The second Judge Simpson starts laughing like that, you already know it's bad. That kind of laugh isn't funny. I mean, it's just straight disbelief. I mean, and then this dude straight up admits he was using substances while he's supposed to be testing clean. And I don't even think he realizes how crazy that sounds. And you could literally see it on his face like a second too late. He was probably thinking maybe I shouldn't have said that, but it was just way too late. I mean, this is textbook on how people talk themselves into jail time. Do you guys even think this dude understands how bad he just messed up?
What was her name?
What is the
Your Honor, may I?
Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Alex Warren Green on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Wilson about the missed samples reported by Community Corrections here. He provided me screening results from ADCS lab in Detroit. When I spoke with Mr. Wilson last night, I told him he needs to make sure that those results are being reported directly to Community Corrections. If I could show the people briefly and approach the court with these results. He did submit to testing there on,
Can you find out if they referred him over there? Because he's telling me that community corrections sent him there.
They did.
all I can see, Your Honor, in the report is it says local testing in Detroit permitted. I don't know if they gave him a specific.
In what?
In the bond violation report. It definitely doesn't specify ADCS lab on McNichols, but I guess.
Did he sign a release? I guess I'm trying to figure out why these results aren't getting here.
My suspicion is he did not sign the appropriate releases.
I signed all the paperwork they gave me. I don't know. If you want to take the number, you can call them and figure out what's going on.
You have those papered?
I do, Your Honor.
Have the people
No, I
seen?
have that.
How many tests are we looking at?
There's two tests, Your Honor, that I'm looking at now. There's a test from 11/7 that was collected and 11/9.
And are they negative?
No, they're positive for THC.
That's correct, Your Honor. So with community corrections reporting misses on November 7th, November 12th, and November 17th, it seems like the position we're in with what we have is that he has probably one true miss at this point, along with the positive THC results. And I told Mr. Wilson if he is using marijuana for...
Does he have a card?
I told Mr. Wilson he would need to get a medical marijuana card if he wanted to use it for medical
He
reasons.
doesn't have a card he's on bond. Can't do it.
The other
Understood,
issue,
Your
Your Honor, is
Honor.
that the most recent test was 16 days ago.
That's not true.
What's not true?
9th was the most recent test.
No, it just went on, I think Saturday. It was either Friday.
When?
Based on the paperwork I have, it's been 16 days.
It was either Friday or Saturday.
Where's that test result?
This is what they emailed me this morning. Like literally.
Your Honor, what I would note is that the two results that we do have, the date collected and the test date are in one case 4 days apart and in one case 2 days apart. So I don't know if they have a delay in getting the results from their testing. I am not familiar with this agency at all, ADCS Lab.
Why is he still using marijuana?
Your Honor, I spoke to Mr. Wilson and he tells me he has been a marijuana user for a long time. I told him he needs to ensure he has a medical cannabis license if he is going.
When he doesn't have one.
I was using prior to this
Not at
case.
this time, but Mr.
I should
Wilson.
already had positive marijuana results the first time I went.
Hold on.
This is the part where he needs to just stop talking and just let his attorney handle it. But we all know that's not going to happen. So instead, he just keeps talking and explaining himself with no proof and no paperwork, which literally never works in a courtroom. I mean, bringing up a medical card he doesn't even have is not helping his case at all. And you could tell his lawyer is getting frustrated because this guy just won't take the hint. The more he talks, the more the judge sees this as a problem instead of a mistake. This isn't about one slip up anymore. It's about whether he can follow the rules at all. And I feel like Judge Simpson is clearly weighing jail at this point. Do you think he's digging himself deeper every time he speaks? Because it's pretty clear to me.
Mr. Wilson assures me he will take the steps he needs to get licensed to use marijuana if he
But he could have been doing that from the beginning of this case.
understood, Your Honor.
But he hasn't done it.
Your Honor, my request.
Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take him back. You call the place. If he tested, you said he went yesterday?